It's October, and I'm still picking strawberries and tomatoes from my suburban garden. The Chicago Bears won a football game. We remember you, sweetness. It must be, as Article 1 sang in 2006, Dream October, dream it back to me. Dream October is all that it could be. And if that's not enough, there's even Monday Matters to watch, right here, on Gary's Stuff. Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, indeed, is Monday Matters. Now, as usual, I'll be having a look at some of the news of the week. I'll be having a look at what I've been up to my channel in On My Bench. And, of course, I'll be discussing this week's kit of the week. All these bits come as chapters, so you can sort of hop backwards and forwards as your heart desires. If you like what you see today, or indeed on any of my videos, please give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and you'll be notified of all my future content as it arrives. And of course, if you'd like to offer a bit more concrete support to the channel, you can do that through Super Thanks, by becoming a channel member, or by using any of my online partner programs. Now, before we kick off with the news, I just wanted to mention there's still time to join in with the Equinox group build if you haven't done so yet. The group build's rule is quite simple. The kit you make has to have had its original molds made in 1973 or earlier, but it doesn't matter if it's a later re-release with modern decals, or you want to go the whole aftermarket resin and photo etch thing, or you just want to build it exactly out of the box as it was originally sold. That's entirely up to you, but 1973 tooling or earlier is all I ask. I've been getting some more pictures coming in. Let me share some of them with you. This is just a quick selection. There's nothing, I'm not saying these are better than anyone else's or anything. These are just a quick selection of some that came my way this week. Okay, so that last one was there just to shame myself into actually doing a bit more work on my own Equinox group build kit, my 1/600th scale Airfix HMS Devonshire, which sorely needs my attention, let me tell you. As I say, the group build's up till 21st of October, so there's plenty of time if you haven't started your kit yet to join in. Even if you have started the kit, there's plenty of time to complete it. So keep working at it. Keep sending me the pictures either through Facebook or by email or by posting on Twitter or Instagram using the relevant hashtags. All of this contact information box below. Okay, let's make a move then and have a look at the news of the week. MIKROMIR has released some photos for the upcoming AMP Supermarine S6B Racer in 1/48 scale. This was the aircraft that secured the Schneider Trophy for the UK and pioneered many ideas later used in the Spitfire. The part shots look okay at first, but I guess until we can have a close look, we can't be absolutely sure. MIKROMIR has also published test shots of their 1/72nd scale sub Draken kit, something I know many people will be taking a look at. Again, looking okay, although some of the injection gates on the smaller parts look a little chunky to me, and I'm not sure how well they take the fuselage halves off their respective frames, but it's a subject definitely worth considering. MINIART has released more images of their upcoming advanced kit of the P47 in 1/48 scale, including the box art and the 3 schemes included. If the plastic is half as good as the frame CAD they've shown here, then this will become a classic. At the same time, DORA Wings is introducing the second of its P47 series the P47C, again in 1/48th scale. Metal Earth has this new Boeing B-17 in 1/130th scale. Now these kits are made from pre-painted sheet steel, so essentially they're kits made entirely of photo etch. VARGAS Scale Models has this new kit of the Nebelwerfer 41 rocket artillery trailer in 1/35th scale, something that would look good behind any of those 1/35th scale trucks that we have seen released recently. A more contemporary approach to the problem is the M142 HIMARS, seen here in the new FORE Hobby kit in 1/72nd scale. From the amount of framing here, there must be a lot of very fine detail in this kit. And if you've got the Das Werk 1/16th Sonderkraftfahrzeug 251 and want to turn it into rocket artillery as well, FC Model Trend has this resin set to add the rocket launchers of the Wurfrahmen 40 Stuka zu Fuß. Special Hobby has a new 1/72nd scale kit of the British Fordson 1500 weight truck, much used in the desert campaign of World War II. It comes with plastic and resin parts, as well as photo etch and even an optional 3D printed tarpaulin for the cargo bed. I can't help thinking that if this were made in 1/35th, they would sell loads of them. Off to another planet, and MENG has released some items related to the Dune film franchise. Here are two dragonfly-like ornithopters. There's also a spice harvester, which, if nothing else, will give you lots of practice with weathering tracks. And finally, X-Scale has released their 1/8th scale kit of the Revenge of the Creature. The kit comes with its own display stand, which even includes some fish. On my bench this week, it's been a busy one, as always. First of all, of course, I had the build video of the Arado E555 Flying Wing Bomber from Revell. What a lovely kit. I really, really enjoyed making it. I enjoyed painting it. I enjoyed the result I've got. I'm really proud of it. I think it's a marvel. I wish more kits were like it, frankly. I really had a good time doing that. I also did the box opening on the kit of the week from last week, which of course was the de Havilland Chipmunk in 1/48 from Airfix. That's in construction right at the moment, and it's going together pretty well. There's a couple of little issues here and there, but generally speaking, it's fine. I think it's going to look good. Of course, it was a public vote as to what scheme it would end up in, and it's going to end up as a camouflaged Army Air Corps one. So that's going to look pretty cool, I think. And of course, I did the review on the Gallery GHA C98D Ace series airbrush as well. That brush really, because it's really actually very, very good, allowed me to do that Luftwaffe blob markings on the Arado without any problem at all. I've enjoyed it so much. I've used it on another BF109 I've built recently in 1/48 to do similar camouflage, and again, absolutely effortless. I really, really like that airbrush. Do check out the review on it. I believe there's going to be a special offer on them for Black Friday as well. So do keep eyes and ears out. I'll let you know of any special offers on any of these products from any manufacturers as they turn up, as I hear of them. We also had the live stream on Thursday evening. That was a lot of fun. It always is a lot of fun. There's a lot of very good characters on there. And yeah, there's a lot of toing and froing, lots of good questions, hopefully some decent answers. The fun of watching me try and make an egg kit of or tune kit of the MENG King Tiger, and really making very, very little progress each week because I just get distracted so much by talking. It's me talking for 2 hours, but in response to your questions. So it's kind of almost a two-way thing, but the one way is a lot more loquacious than the other way, if you see what I mean. But you can drop by, ask me questions. I'll do my very best to answer them. The next live stream will be the first Thursday in November, of course, which I think is about the 3rd or thereabouts. But I'll headline it in Monday Matters before that date as well. Some people have been asking whether I should maybe think about doing 2 a month instead of just the one. Well, that's a possibility. It'll be a different day of the week because the current live stream is the first Thursday of the month. Can't do the third Thursday of the month because that's my club night at Harrow, my IPMS affiliated club. So maybe a Tuesday or a Wednesday night would be better. Let me know what you think, whether that would be better or another night would be better suited to you all. And I'll do what I can. What else did we do? Of course, on Saturday, those of you who get my supporters special, there was a supporters special published as well. This one ran almost half an hour, had quite a lot to tell everyone about and discuss and ideas and da-da-da-da-da. If you want to be part of that, then all you have to do is become a supporter by becoming a channel member, by using my online partner programs like Patreon or Buy Me Coffee or Ko-fi. There's other people who will automatically get it because of other ways that they've supported the channel over the years. So if you'd be interested in listening to that, then become a supporter and that would be great. Okay, all of that means that I have a few minutes a day to add another kit to the pile, and that is, of course, this week's kit of the week. And the kit of the week this week, and I have to say next week as well, because it's quite the build, is going to be the Cossack 2 MRAP vehicle, mine resistant ambush protected, mine resistant ambush protected MRAP vehicle. It's in 1/35th scale and it's from ICM. There's loads of it to the build. It's got a full interior, all the doors, seats, and all the underside and all that. It's a lot to do. So I reckon it's going to take 2 weeks to do it some sort of justice. So as usual, there will be the box opening video first. The build video will come along when it comes along, sometime in the next 2 weeks, because there's also lots of other content coming your way. There's the Chipmunk build. There's the Mistel build, which is going on very nicely. There's the HMS Devonshire build that I'm doing. There's another build I haven't told you about yet that is coming along. In fact, I'll be editing that video later on today. And there's a paint test coming up, so I'm going to start on soon. It probably won't be for another week or two, but we'll see how it goes. So it's a paint test as well. Lots and lots and lots of content on its way to you this autumn, as it were, before Telford. I want to get a lot of this done before Telford because that's going to be quite the event. If you want to know when any of this stuff comes up, the best thing to do is to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and then of course you'll be notified of all my content as it is published. And of course, if you like anything you see on my channel, please give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Thank you so very much for watching today. Enjoy the week. Hope to see you again very soon on the channel. Take very good care of yourselves, and goodbye.